Hello everybody, this is Boss. I am making a little video about the forthcoming sci-fi model action members group build, which will be taking place this spring, starting March 1st and running for 3 months. We are all making some pretty cool models. Some of us, like myself, are going to do more than one model. Not necessarily, in my case, as a diorama, but as a unit for my boss's big approved Star Trek Attack Wing, which is a tabletop game that is very popular. I'm not going to go into the details because most of you probably know. It is a offshoot or a complement to or brother of Fantasy Flight Games Star Wars miniatures game called X-Wing. This is my own little insane project. I love Star Trek, but I'm not in love with the way that WizKids handled the models. They simply took the HeroClix range of Star Trek Tactics, repackaged it to make money quick, and they gave the screw you to Star Trek. So screw them. I'm not going to buy their models except to get some of the rules, and then I'm going to use my own models and show proper respect to Star Trek, just as Fantasy Flight was able to show to X-Wing. So yeah, not to go on a wild rant, but no, I'm not feeling it. But this I am feeling. My practicality forces me to do some non-canon models because, you know, a small BORG scout sphere would be as big as a beach ball. Not going to happen. But we can do little variants. For example, in this case, for my use, I'm going to make a tactical sphere, but I'm going to do a little brother version of it, which I'm going to use as a destroyer. So I'm going to make a BORG destroyer cube rather than a legitimate tactical cube because, you know, still, I mean, a tactical cube would be, you know, big. And that's one of the smaller cubes in the BORG collective. So anyway, this is just to give you an idea of the size. I'm going to use a plastic storage crate, no big deal, you know, like $1 at the dollar store, but it's still pretty sturdy. I mean, it's pretty tough actually, and I can just stack all sorts of detail on this. So I put this up with a few of the 1/2500 and 1/50th scale ships, and as I mentioned in my boss's big approved attack wing variant models, you can totally use some of the smaller ships. I mean, that's perfect, the big and the little bird of prey. So anyway, that's why I got it up here. All these are models that I will be using for my Star Trek Attack Wing games. Anyway, I thought you might get a kick out of seeing some images that I find on the internet. Now, bear with me, I'm editing the video because I'm a big stupid dope. This is my third video, so I'm pretty new to it. Anyway, here is a pretty good idea of what I'm going to try to make for my ship. And it's definitely a cool ship, I think. How awesome is that? Now, it'll be pretty much in scale with these little guys here, you know, according to that picture. I mean, close enough. I mean, I'm going to make this thing bigger by the time I put the detail on it. This is just a frame. This is just a basic starting point. So it's going to be a bit bigger when I'm finished with it. and I think it'll be pretty cool. I'm definitely going to try to make it cool. I mean, you know, I'm just a guy here. I'm not a, you know, I'm not some super duper whatever. I mean, I'm going to do my best and try to make it look really good, though. And it's a way to get the Borg into the game without, you know, using the models that are ridiculously out of scale, or bringing my refrigerator in and putting details all over it. You know, I mean, that's not going to work. It's kind of like trying to put the Death Star in Star Wars X-Wing. It's not going to happen. So if you want to play it, have it in there from time to time for the sake of consistency with the Star Trek universe, I figure it'd be pretty cool. Now, okay, so I do my own little destroyer cube and play it with tactical cube specifications. All right, what else? Well, one thing that was in Star Trek The Next Generation and talked about, but you didn't see much of it, were the assimilated ships, which I happen to think are just absolutely awesome. So I thought I would make a, get back on the right picture. I thought I would make a, it's going to keep playing it, isn't it? I think, sorry guys. Just this picture here. No, I don't play it. Just let me see. The Enterprise, right? Assimilated. Okay, it looks like it might just stay on that. All right. The learning process. So the Enterprise and some other ships, I've got in mind to do a full-on conversion and make assimilated ships to augment my few little cannon-ish BORG ships. I think this will be an excellent project for me to learn on. You know, I'm not, like I said, I'm new to doing the lighting. I'm not like some of the other guys we've seen on YouTube that we like and we're learning from. So I figure I can mess up some ships that are supposed to be zombie, you know, constructs, Borgs, or, you know, the zombies in Star Trek. So why not have a sloppy ship that I can use the mess to hide my mistakes as I learn some lighting techniques. And I'm still at it on the whole process of that. I don't know if I'm going to go with lighting or not for the actual fleets. Some of these little hallmark ornaments have lights, and that's cool. I'm still debating on that. But the whole process of making a BORG cube as a destroyer with some lights in it to give it that green glow, that'll be a fun learning process. So I'm going to try and see what I can miracle up. And maybe it'll be a horrible mess. I don't know, but that's the whole point. But the main thing we're all trying to do, I think, is just to have some fun and show each other our work and not try to be overly competitive. And, you know, that's not cool. I mean, I don't care if I win or lose or whatever. I just want to have fun and show my models and learn from people to build models. And that's the whole point, isn't it? You know, I mean, winning's achieving a project that you're happy with instead of just sitting around and not doing anything. So that'll be prize enough for me if I can make a little dollar store milk crate into something that'll look kind of cool and creepy and be really fun to play, and, you know, be all science fiction, cyborg, zombie all over the place with that whole Borg look. That's prize enough for me. So I'm going to post my official timestamp imagery and get that up by the 28th. I'm in the process of redoing my studio. I got shelves and boxes and all kinds of junk over here. And I'm getting ready to set up a new table over in the corner here to work on. But anyway, I'll get that fished out and take some official pictures to conform to the rules of the contest. We had to make sure everybody started at the same time to be fair. So I'll be getting that up soon, guys. And thanks for watching this video. I think I kind of rambled a bit, But you know, like I said in my previous little wacky video, I'm not an actor. I'm just some guy sharing what I like with like-minded people, and I hope you enjoy it, and it's at least entertaining or a time killer like a lot of YouTube content. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to try to get better with these videos, and I'm already looking at a better webcam, and obviously I need a microphone because I'm sure my voice isn't coming in too hot. It's probably sounding kind of yucky, but I'm going to try to work on all that. All good things in time, right, brothers? So thanks for watching, and good luck to everybody in the contest. Got a lot of fun projects everybody's talking about, and I'm really keen to see what we're all going to pull off. Another guy on there is making a BORG alcove, so he's going to do the BORG in the ships. I'm going to try to do some ships. So what's that? Live long and prosper, and don't get assimilated. Take it easy, guys. This is Boss signing out.